Today in this video I'll be telling you the Coinmama review. Coinmama is a Bitcoin broker based in Israel. They specialize in selling Bitcoins for credit card to nearly anyone around the world. We may receive when you use Coinmama. This post contains affiliate links, service available in many countries, high limits for buying Bitcoins with a credit or debit card, fast and responsive customer service, high fee for buying with a credit or debit card. Credit card is the most popular payment method on Coinmama. This table helps compare Coinmama to other popular credit card exchanges. They are Coinbase, Coinmama, Luno, Bitpanda, and CX.io. So I'm going to end the video right here. For more information, you can go to the Coins or the link down below, which is the blog.